Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make a hard reset of Samsung Galaxy A06. If you're using Samsung Galaxy A06 and now you want to make a hard reset to your device, so let's see how we can do this. For this, first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to any PC or any other Samsung device, your charging cable or any wire. So after that, you have to make a backup of your phone because it will remove everything from your device. It might be photos, videos, apps, accounts, and much more. So you just have to make a backup, and after that you have to make a simple setup. So you can easily do that on your lock scene or home scene on which you want. And after that, you just need to press and hold volume down and the power button at the same time and wait for your screen goes black. It will take a while, so you just have to wait for it and keep holding here the buttons and then shift your volume down to volume up until you get the Samsung logo here, just like this. Now release all buttons and wait for what have to come. When you open this type menu, this is basically it's BIOS of your phone. So you just have to make a setup here, but you have to keep in mind that your touch won't work here. You have to use these three buttons to make a setup. So first of all, if you want to move down, you can easily move it with your volume down button. If you want to move it, you can use volume up, and for selection just select the power button and you can easily select any option from here. But you just have to select wipe data or factory reset from here. Here's the option, just select it and then press your power button, then select the second option, which is factory data reset, then select the power button here, and after that you'll get this type screen. Here you just have to select reboot system now and press your power button. It will shut down your phone and wait for power it on, just like this. And after that you can easily make a fresh new startup to your device. It will remove everything from your phone. So that's how you can easily make a hard reset of your Samsung Galaxy A06. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.